Why doesn't everyone use bleach in their swimming pool instead of chlorine? And maybe you just discovered, or maybe you knew all along, that bleach and chlorine are the same thing, and you've got a line on getting cheap bleach at the local bulk shop, and that's what you buy and you use, and you're wondering, why doesn't everybody just use this stuff? And probably the shortest answer is simply concentration. So residential consumer grade bleach is the exact same thing as liquid chlorine. It's just a more dilute formula than the more concentrated version in the liquid chlorine. So if you needed X amount of liquid chlorine in your pool to accomplish whatever it is you're trying to accomplish with your free chlorine level, you would need more physically of the bleach product than you would of the liquid chlorine product. If you have a very small pool, well then yeah, bleach is almost just the simple answer here, because you're at the store anyway, picking up your groceries, pick up some bleach, avoid the stuff with like fresh lemon scent in it. But yeah, then there's absolutely nothing wrong with buying and using that stuff. And if you've got a line on getting that for cheap, then by all means use it. But when you have a 40,000 gallon swimming pool and you're choosing to use liquid chlorine or a liquid sanitizer product, you would be buying and using an awful lot of bleach, and therein lies the advantage to you to use a liquid chlorine product. You're just buying, storing, and transporting less of this liquid product because it gets pretty large, gets pretty heavy. If you had to dump in 6 jugs of bleach every time that you were dealing with your pool every Sunday afternoon, that sounds like a lot of work, and that's the primary reason. It's just the scale of the size of pools, with the big ones being many times bigger than the little ones, and then the concentration of the liquid chlorine product being so much stronger than the liquid bleach product that you're referring to. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.